Good morning student, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about some short answer type questions from different chapters. Let us come and work out some short answer type question which is very important for your coming examinations like CBSE, CHSE and ICSE. Let us come and work out one by one. Okay? First of all we have to work out the question number 20. Write down question number 20. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C is equal to pi. Okay? Our aim is to show that A plus B plus C is equal to ABC. Claim. Write down claim. Claim means to show that A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Okay. Now we have to take the LHS. Write down RHS, LHS and RHS. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B plus tan inverse C is equal to pi. Okay. So tan inverse C will go to that side. Tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to pi minus tan inverse C. Okay? We know one formula, tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equal to tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus AB. Write down the formula, tan inverse A plus B by 1 minus AB is equal to pi minus tan inverse C. So tan inverse box is equal to this. So A plus B is equal to A plus B by 1 minus AB is equal to tan pi minus tan inverse C. If we consider this is a theta, tan pi minus theta minus tan theta minus tan in place of theta, that is tan inverse C. Tan of tan inverse C is equal to C. So it is minus C. Okay. So now multiplying A plus B by 1 minus AB is equal to minus C. So A plus B is equal to minus C whole into 1 minus AB. Okay. So that is minus C plus ABC. So we get A plus B plus C is equal to ABC. So this is the answer of the question. A plus B plus C is equal to ABC. Okay. Very important question coming in the examinations. Now we have to work out the question number 19. Solve x dy dx into sin y by x plus x minus y sin y by x is equal to 0. So this is the differential equation. So we have to solve question number 19. Write down question number 19. X into dy by dx sin y by x is equal to y sin y by x minus x, that will be go to that side. Okay. So now dividing x sin y by x throughout, dividing x sin 1 y by x throughout. Okay. So dy by dx is equal to y sin y by x minus x divided by x sin y by x. Okay. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. This is a HDE. Write down. This is HDE, homogeneous differential equation, because it is mxy, which is a homogeneous function in x and y of degree 1. Nxy, which is a homogeneous function in x and y of a degree 1. So it is a homogeneous differential equation. So for homogeneous differential equation, always put y is equal to Vx. Y is equal to Vx. So dy by dx is equal to V plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx. Okay. So now the equation 1 becomes, here it is, 1 becomes V plus x dv by dx is equal to y. Y means it is Vx sin, y means it is Vx by x minus x divided by x sin Vx by x. When it is a differential equation, so always put y equal to Vx, then dy by dx is equal to V plus x dv dx, applying the product formula. So the equation 1 becomes, in place of dy by dx we have to put here, in place of y we put Vx, then you have to taking common. Okay, so taking common, x cancel. Now x is taking common. Here it is V sin V, it is minus 1 divided by x, it is sin V. X cancel. Okay, so this V will go to that side. X dv by dx is equal to V sin V minus 1 by sin V minus V. Now taking the LCM, we get V sin V minus 1 minus V sin V divided by sin V. Okay, LCM we take. So V sin V plus minus cancel. So that is minus 1 by sin V. Okay. Now we have to separating the variable. Sin V multiplied here, dx by dx go there. Here it is sin V dv is equal to minus dx by x. Sin V go to here, dx go to there, x will be divided there. Variables separated. Write down variables separated. Variable separated. Then integrating on both sides. Write down integrating sin V dv is equal to minus dx by x. After variable separable, then next step is integrating on both sides with respect to, here it is V, here it is with respect to x. Integration of sin V, that is minus cos V. Dx by x integration minus ln x. Here it is minus ln c, I am putting there. Okay. So now minus cancel. Then we have to put V is equal to y by x. So write down cos, here it is y by x, ln a plus ln b, ln ab. So this is the answer of the question. This is the answer of the question. Okay. So this is the homogeneous differential equation, and the solution of homogeneous differential equation is just like this. Now we have to work out the question number 18. Write down the question number 18. the probability that A hits a target is 1 by 3. Probability that B hits it is 2 by 3. If each one of A and B shot the target, what is the probability that exactly one of them hits the target? So write down how can you do. This is the one problem from independent event. So write down A hit the target. Hit the target. B hit the target. The chance of hitting the target by A is 1 by 3. That means probability of A 1 by 3. So probability of A dash. So 1 minus probability of A. 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Okay? Hit the target. It is not hit the target by A. Then probability of B is 2 by 3. The chance of hitting the target by B is 2 by 3. So probability of B dash 1 minus probability of B. So 1 minus 2 by 3, it is 1 by 3. Okay? Our question is, what is the probability that exactly one of them hit the target? So we found out A intersection B dash or A dash intersection B. Our aim, one of them hit the target. If A hit the target, B does not hit the target, or if A does not hit the target, then B hit the target. So it is a mutually exclusive event. So it is A intersection B dash plus probability of A dash intersection B. Since A intersection B dash, A dash intersection B are mutually exclusive. Since write down, since A intersection B dash and A dash intersection B are disjoint event. So applying this formula, when A and B are independent, then A and B dash is also independent. So applying probability of A into probability of B dash. Here it is probability of A dash into probability of B. So the result is probability of A 1 by 3. Probability of B dash, it is 1 by 3. Probability of B dash, it is 1 by 3. Probability of A dash, it is 2 by 3. Here it is probability of A dash 2 by 3. Probability of B also 2 by 3. So it is 1 by 9. Here it is 4 by 9. So the result is 5 by 9. Answer is 5 by 9. Okay? Answer is 5 by 9. Because A and B are independent. Write down, since A and B are independent. So when A and B are independent, then A dash and B are independent, and A and B dash are independent. So applying probability of A 1 by 3, probability of B dash is 1 by 3, probability of A dash 2 by 3, probability of B 2 by 3, 1 by 9, A 4 by 9, that is 5 by 9 is the correct answer. Now we have to work out the question number 17. Write down question number 17. That is the question from the derivative x to the power x to the power x dot 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 infinity. When we have to omit this x, this is also y. So y is equal to x to the power x to the power x dot 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 infinity. So this is also 1 y. Y is repeated. So we get y is equal to x to the power y. This is one form of y. x, this is y. Now we have to take logarithm on both sides, because when one function is the power of another function, then in order to find out its derivative, we have to use logarithm on both sides. Okay, taking logarithm on both sides. Write down, taking logarithm on both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides. So we get log y is equal to log x to the power y. So y into log x. So this is the implicit function differentiating on both sides with respect to x. d dx of log y, d dx of y into log x, y into log x. Here it is x, here it is y, here it is x, here it is y. So applying chain rule, log Baksa derivative 1 by Baksa into derivative of Baksa equal to, applying the product formula, dy dx into log x plus log x dy dx into log x, y d dx of log x. Product formula, u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So the term which contain dy dx, that will come to one side. So 1 by y dy by dx minus dy dx into log x, y derivative of log x, it is 1 by x. The term which contain dy dx, that will be kept in one side, and the term which do not contain any derivatives, that will be kept in another side, because this is the criteria for implicit function. So dy by dx taking common, 1 by y minus log x is equal to y by x. So this will be divided there, dy by dx is equal to y by x divided by 1 minus y log x divided by y. So that can be written as y square divided by x whole into 1 minus y log x. So this is the answer of the question. Look, y square divided by x whole into 1 minus y log x. So this is one question, very important question from the derivatives. Okay. So now we have to discussing about question number 16. Express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. A as this. So write down how can you do this. So every matrix can be expressed as a sum of symmetric matrix as well as skew symmetric matrix. Okay, write down A. Question number 16. A is equal to 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5. Here it is minus 1, 1, 2. So, first of all we have to write B is equal to A plus A transpose by 2. It is always a symmetric matrix. B I am taking A plus A to the power T by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant. So write down the A, 3 minus 2 minus 4. 3 minus 2 it is minus 5. Minus 1, 1 it is 2. Then it's transpose. Transpose means rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into rows correspondingly. first row will be first column, second row will be second column, third row will be third column. Okay, so now we have to add 3 plus 3. Here it is 1 by 2, 3 plus 3 it is 6, minus 2, 3 that is 1, minus 4 minus 1 that is minus 5. 3 minus 2 it is 1, minus 2 minus 2 that is minus 4, minus 5 plus 1 it is minus 4, minus 1 here it is minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 it is minus 5, here 1 minus 5 that is minus 4, 2 plus 2 it is 2 plus 2 it is 4. So now dividing 2 in each elements, so we have to get 6 by 2 it is 3, it is 1 by 2, here it is minus 5 by 2, here it is 1 by 2, here it is minus 2, here it is minus 2, minus 5 by 2, here it is minus 2, here it is 2. Okay, so here it is 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 2. Here it is 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2. The main diagonal element will be different, but here whatever term will be coming, here also it is coming. So it is a symmetric matrix. Is a symmetric matrix. It is always a symmetric matrix. Then we have to find out C. So write down C is equal to a minus a to the power t by 2. So that is 1 by 2 constant. So here a 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5. Here it is minus 1, here it is 1, here it is 2. Minus, here it is 3, it is 3, here it is minus 1. Here it is minus 2, here it is minus 2, here it is 1. Here it is minus 4, minus 5, 2. Okay. Now subtraction. T minus 3, that is 0. It is 0. Minus 2, minus 3. Minus will multiply with each element. Minus 2, minus 3. That is minus 5. Minus 4 plus 1. It is minus 3. 3 plus 2. It is 5. Minus 2. Here it is plus 2. It is 0. Minus 5 minus 1. It is minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1. Minus 6. Here it is minus 1 plus 4. It is 3. 1 plus 5, it is 6. 2, here it is minus 2, it is 0. Okay, so now dividing the 1 by 2 with each element. Write out each element we have to divide in. So that is 0 minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Here it is 5 by 2. Here it is 0. Here it is minus 3. Okay. Here it is 3 by 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 0. It is a skew symmetry because it is negative. All elements negative. So here it is also positive. Main diagonal element is always 0 for skew symmetric matrix. So it is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Our aim is to show that B plus C is equal to A. Write down, verify B plus C must be equal to A. B will be here. B is 3, 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2 minus 2. Here it is minus 2. Minus 5 by 2. minus 2, it is 2. C is 0, minus 5 by 2, here it is minus 3 by 2. 5 by 2, here it is 0, here it is minus 3. So here it is 3 by 2, 3, it is 0. Okay, now we have to add this plus this, that is 3 half minus 5 by 2 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2 after adding. Minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 8 by 2, that is minus 4. 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 6 by 2, it is 3. Minus 2, here it is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5. Minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that is, it is minus 1. Minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 2, it is 1. Minus 2 plus 3, that is 1. So 2, here it is 2. You see here it is A or not. A is given as 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1, 1, 2. So B plus C must be equal to A. B is a symmetric matrix, C is a skew symmetric matrix, it is a given matrix. So every square matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix as well as skew symmetric matrix. If the question is asking about this type, you have to proceed in this manner. First of all, you have to find B, A plus A to the power T by 2. Then we have to see A minus A to the power T by 2. Then verifying B plus C, that must be equal to A. If it is done, then the answer will be completed. Thank you to all for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel.